Sup, fuckers? So, yeah, I just got a lot of shit today. Really a lot of fingerboards. And fingerboard stuff. Okay, so this is secret. Hope you didn't see that. Just put it right there. Just let's start off with fingerboarding. Just because why not? Gotta get to warm-ups first. Jesus, suck ass. Fuck. Yeah. Rail. Nose grind over crook. Oh. Backside tail slide. Oh. Backside. Yeah. Backside tail slide. I mean, we'll take that. Lip slide. I suck at lip slides, I know. I just don't like board slide. Or is. Yeah. Lip slide. Yeah. 5-0. Oh. Land the 5-0. Scuffed. Then kick hip. Dark slide. Yeah. Yeah. 50-50 kick flip out maybe, but this rail's too short. Yeah. Alright, so then that. Warm up. Yeah. So the first thing we have. I kind of took it out of the box because I couldn't wait. Finger surfboard. Hell yeah. Yeah, I can't see it. Maybe this helps? Yeah. If I just turn it off or something. Boom. Got a little phone grip right here. And like a holder or something. So I'll just... This takes a while for me. So I'll just... Oh, there's a fart. Ugh. So I'll get you back on when this is done. So yeah, here's this. Pretty fun. I don't have water here. Well, yeah, we do have water. But or wind. But yeah. I'll get that in like another. Oh, it just broke off. I'll ask my mom to do this, so we got good in this. Yeah, so that was that. And I got this like 2 days ago from the second D finger ripstick. He also has one. She just gave it to me. This is really scuffed. You can't do anything on it. But yeah, it's fun to have. But then, boom, 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 boom. This deck, I really don't like it. I got a teak tuning Carlsbad Cruiser. Hell yeah! Let's take this motherfucker out. Yeah. So it comes with a blue and pink nail file, a yellow teak tuning sticker, some really nice phone grip, and I got it in yellow because it just looks sick. Carlsbad Cruiser board. So let's just set it apart from this and just put the trucks on. Yeah, that was that. So skate tool, let's just get it apart. I'll see you guys when it's back on. I meant when the trucks are off, like, yeah. First truck is off, both trucks are off. So let's grip the board. I'm not gonna do a design, I just like it simple. So yeah, I want to keep this video a little shorter, so it's easier to watch. So yeah, I'll just pause it. Like, I'll just get it back on when the grip is applied. Sheet is on. Now it's time to do the sailing. Grip is on. Let's go. Isn't the cleanest, but we'll fix that. So let's poke the holes in the trucks. For the holes in the first truck is on. Woohoo! So like, what it feels of it, I really like it. Like actually, really like it. It is done. All the trucks are on. Woo! This feels really good. So first, kickflip test. If I land this, it's gonna be a good board. Oh yeah, also came with this yellow teak tuning sticker. If I land this, gonna be a good board. Let's just try some solids. Just basic ollie. Oh, feels good. Kickflip. Boom. Ooh. Damn. It counts 6, 7, 7 kickflips in a row. 3 flip. Woo! Maybe this will help my nollie flip. Ugh. I still can nollie flip for shit, but this board feels sick. How does the board slide feel? 50-50? Yeah, that doesn't matter because of the trucks, but just the overall feel.